now, it will not come to reality. Not at this time. Tinubu will not make any Yoruba nation at all. So all of you say, Yoruba nation, no, nothing like Yoruba nation, Biafra nation for now. Don't like it too. That's not now.
Ṣé ti gbọ́ èyí tèmi ó ti wá ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́yẹn o. Prime Minister Ayọ̀délé ní Tinubu kò ní ṣe Yorùbá nation o. Pé Yorùbá nation ní wáyé wákàtí àti ọ̀wọ̀ yìí o. Prime Minister Ayọ̀délé ní lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ìlú Ọ̀yọ́ yìí. Wọ́n ní tí Tinubu ò bá tètè gbé ìgbésẹ̀ ńlá kó má jẹ́ pé nǹkan tó máa da ìjọba Tinubu rú lélẹ́yìí o. Kó má jẹ́ pé nǹkan tó máa dojú ìjọba Tinubu bolẹ̀ ni. Wọ́n ní Ṣèyí Makinde kò jẹ́ kó wà lórí oyè yìí mọ́ o. Wọ́n ní ó yẹ kó gba oyè lórí ọwọ́ Ṣèyí Makinde. Ẹ gbọ́ ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́? Ṣé ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí ṣe set up ni? Òun ni Prime Minister Ayọ̀délé mú àwọn ìran tó lágbára wá lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá nation àti Ṣèyí Makinde àti gbogbo àwọn governors Yorùbá. Wọ́n ní owó security vote tó ń gbà wọ́n ní party náà fi ń ṣe o. Wọ́n ní party náà fi ń ṣe, tí ò bá jẹ́ party náà fi ń ṣe ni why tí oríṣiríṣi ogun ń ja ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tẹ̀lé ń gba security vote. Gbogbo security vote tó ń gbà millions and millions upon millions gbogbo ẹ̀ ò lákàntì fún. Wá nǹkan fìdílé nǹkan. This CROSSBLOGXTV, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Kẹ́yìn náà kẹ́ máa fi opinion sínú comment. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́ gbogbo prophecy lẹ́nu Prime Minister Ayọ̀délé. Ẹ jẹ́ á jọ gbọ́.
Let us ask all these governors, how did they do security votes? Tinubu is indulging these governors for them to be wasting security votes. He's giving them more than what they can chew. If there is security crisis in your state, that state must be shut down and even remove the governor immediately. How much one 2 years old? The governor still have God. And said that I don't have capacity. It's the government, it's the president that have the capacity to instruct security personnel to do the work. And the people from Abuja came to Oyo State. It wasn't there. It's a bad thing, no. Ṣèyí tó bá sọ fún ẹ, táwọn èèyàn kan bá sọ fún ẹ, tó bá sọ ńláka ìyàwó níláka èèyàn Ọlọ́run sọ fún ẹ pé Ṣèyí o deserve láti ṣe governor of your state mọ́. You don't deserve to be governor of your state. Forget it. And you won't tell me that you want to become president of Nigeria. Ọlọ́run lè gba is waste. You can never. Etiquette here. Where is the security vote? You say you bought surveillance. And the calamity in Oyo State has never left. Is it there? You should have come shut down assembly. Come your Ṣèyí Makinde. Come and military síbẹ̀. That's what they should do. And that is the best. All the governors, where are your security votes? What are you using to secure? You use it to secure party. They only go to party. These governors, they love party than doing important work. They're doing important projects. Only you said the governor, no. Every governor must give account. EFCC has this government. Where's your money? It's their own money. EFCC cannot intervene. Person must be able to intervene. Where is your security vote? Why is problems? They say security vote not pay. You buy in this our houses. This is all law. Being Ejigbo. We need like 8 police stations. 8. Each local place is like this. 8. It's all Ejigbo. Yes, to Musin, like 10. You now make about 4 police stations. No, state governors must be able to do that. That's one of the reasons why instead of state police have homeland security, each state must have homeland security controlled by the CP and the governor. Homeland security is the best than the state police. IG, let people like us give you idea of what you can do. Your state police will not work. It's going to be frustrated like Amotekun. Let them pass it. We tell you correct him, but you don't see what we see. You don't see it. Respect our ideas. It's divine. Use homeland security instead of state security, police. That is the work of the homeland security that chosen by the president. That's what you should do quickly. I told them about forest guard. Abi? Yes, sir. Forest guard. Forest guard. They now say they take 1,000 forest guard to the place. Need teach you. Maybe you don't want to do it. But some people are frustrated that forest guard. The president doesn't see it. The people in the system, in the security, they are frustrated forest guard. If there's forest guard in that place, they will have caught them. I have told them about putting CCTV. Abi? And the government doesn't want it. They are the one encouraging insecurity. Insecurity is nowhere. The governors, the president, all of them, all the people in the government, they are the one encouraging insecurity. Because it's their happiness, it's their joy. That is the truth. You don't know what? Listen.
Yes, sir.
Listen.
Yes, sir.
Nigeria heart have soaked enough of blood. If they kill those children, Tinubu will not win second term. The Tinubu second time is nil, absolutely nil, set by God, not by me. I'm talking like authority of God. If they kill those children, you don't secure them, your second time you won't get. Oh, go with all your rigging and everything, it will not work. These children matter. Can end Tinubu's government if it doesn't act on time. Forget about protest. This is what the Lord says. Nigeria on suku. And these children, if they kill them, it will be worse. The situation will be bad. You will see that Nigeria will vote you out. They will give it to anybody. They will, with annoyance. And that will be the end of APC in Nigeria. So Tinubu, don't allow this children to die. Don't allow them to kill them. Act on time. Guinea president, I still warn you again. Be careful. They want to poison you. They will give you a slow poison. And there will be political turmoil in your country. And apart from this, be more security conscious. Your security, there will be breach in your security. Zambia, the Zambia president will still retain the seat. Ethiopia, the Ethiopia president will still retain the seat. And also, Chevron, they will fight you in Nigeria now. Chevron, that are in Nigeria, the youth wanted to come against them. The Niger Delta youth, they want to come against Chevron because there is more pollution, oil spill in their land. They will get angry. Now, Tinubu should question Coastal Road. That Coastal Road, I tell you, is good, but waste. The Coastal Road cannot go straight for 20 years. Because why? That Coastal Road, what will happen? The spirit that is in that place, there is a land of spirit. Hey, understand? It's a waste. What they're supposed to do, they didn't do it. They do it with their education. They don't end up building that Coastal Road. They will have to spend money. That is why when calamity fall before Lagos, people living in Atlantic City, about Atlantic erosion, over Atlantic mountain. When the wala of Atlantic erosion, Atlantic estate they built, when it will start, people staying there will say it's a waste. And what I'm saying is there can be earth trauma in places like Ajegunle, VI, and Co, and so on. Lines, must slide, and so on. Lagos State must prepare for this. They might not like it, even on your state. Yes, those two states. Let them watch about this. Earth shaking. Very important. Then let's watch against plain collusion. Plain collusion. And our water, the runway, I say water on Lagos Muritala Airport runway. Water. Enugu VC, University of Enugu. Let the student there be very vigilant. Imo State University, let the students there vigilant, and let the VC of those two university, let them be prayerful. Their bossa, they might be questioned by the higher authority, the bossa, EFCC, Umbo, Kedu, EFCC, they come more. Trump will be insulted. Trump will be insulted. CAF will be politicized. Likewise, Nigeria Football Federation in Nigeria will be politicized as well. Governor of Cross River State, you will be betrayed. Your betrayal can make you to lose election if you don't strategize. And that will be, your name is Otu, then they will just Otu. So let him be very watchful. The NEC chairman, you will, in Nigeria NEC chairman, you do several mistakes, several errors. They will expose you. People working with you, they will buy them that will betray you. Sincerely, you are not safe. Likewise, Minister of Finance, they will bring out a leakage information that is not right. They will use to blackmail you. Tunji Ojo, Minister of Internal Affairs, I see you to be a governor, but they will frustrate you not to become a governor of your state. Benin Republic President, what you need to do, if you don't do it, security challenges will increase. And that will spoil your government. The Benin Republic President has good mind to do well in Benin Republic, but security challenges will bring a setback to his government. Where you want to go is not where you should go. Sincerely. If they defeat Tinubu, it will take 2 weeks for him to accept defeat. And the tension, there will be high tension. So for you not to be defeated, Tinubu, you have to quickly do a lot of things. A lot. But if there's an election today, you will lose. Because Nigeria doesn't like you again. They don't like your party. They don't want to hear anything about your party. NSA, be careful so that they will not implicate you. So I can't advise and when you advise you, if there's no fence around the school, government should shut down that school. Because the first security is to put fence around. That's the first security you have. Because before they can go, they will want to climb down and run. You can do something at that particular time. But open field, anybody can just come, bam, and enter. Right? Shut down any government school, private school that is not fenced. 2 Lagos State chairman will face EFCC anytime from now. And Lagos State APC, they must be united. They are divided now. Some of the senators that are here presently will not win. I say new Senate. Few, it's only few. There will not be, it's not 80% of them will not win that election. Maybe like about 55 or 49%. And that is why the Senate president will change from south to the north. Regardless of the party, a new Senate president will come from the north. Will come from the north. You see the game plan. The political game plan will be serious. We need to pray for all politicians so that they will not experience accident. Political accident will start this month, next month to August. Let them watch very well. Chief of Naval Staff, Chief of Army Staff, pray that you don't lose any of your caucus members, your principal officers. Pray. I told you of AIGs, DIGs that they should pray. One AIG passed away maybe a few days ago. This one too is coming. Those agitating for Yoruba Nation. Yoruba Nation is a shamble. Not now. It will not come to reality. Not at this time. Tinubu will not make any Yoruba nation at all. So all of you say, Yoruba nation, no, nothing like Yoruba nation, Biafra nation for now. Don't like it, oh. That's not now. Watch out, oh. Protest is loading, but it's not yet time, but it will come. Government should be prepared. That protest is going to give bad image to Tinubu's government. Don't allow it. We are giving you warnings. Take it or don't take it.